To write a bonus check in QuickBooks Online. First, enable the bonus check for the desired employee by navigating to the payroll section and selecting the employee. From the Employee Details screen, scroll down to the How You Pay section and click on the Add Additional Pay Types link. A window will appear where you can check the bonus pay type under the Pay Types command and save the changes. Once the bonus check is enabled, return to the Payroll section and click on the arrow next to the Run Payroll button. Select Bonus Only from the menu. Then choose how to enter the bonus amount, either as net pay or gross pay. Enter the bonus amount and add a memo if needed. Then click the Submit Payroll button. Confirm the bonus check details and submit the payroll again. The payroll will be submitted to the employee, and you can print pay stubs if desired.